Good afternoon and welcome to another VRP lesson. My name is Panya and today's lesson is for grade 9 EFAL. And the topics or the skills that we're going to look at today are homonyms and homophones. What are homonyms? A homonym is a word or two having the same spelling or pronunciation but with different meanings and origins. A homonym is derived from the Greek word homonymous, which means having the same name. Let us have a look at examples. The word watch means a small clock worn on the wrist. Here is the watch. An example, what time is it? I have to set my watch. I mean that this is a piece of clock that is worn on the wrist to indicate time. Then we have another word, watch, which means to look at. We watch television because we want to see what is happening around the world. For example, the children are going to watch television tonight. The words watch and watch, they've got the same name, but they are used for different meanings. Another example of a homonym. A pen, which means an enclosed area. This is a pen. How do you use it in a sentence? My rabbits are in a pen. Pen can also mean a writing instrument which uses ink. Here is a pen. We use this instrument to write. An example, please sign this form with a black pen. Look at the spelling, P-E-N, and also for the pen, an instrument is P-E-N. Therefore, the same name, but we use it for different purposes. These are the homonyms. Let's go to the homophones. What are they? Homophones, each of two or more words having the same pronunciation or sound, but with different meanings, origins, or spelling. It is also derived from the Greek word or words homos, meaning same, and phony, meaning sound. Let us also have an example. We have two words there, weather versus weather. Look at the spelling. Two different spellings, two different origins, but they sound the same. Weather, weather. Weather means current atmospheric conditions. The one with a without double H. Here is a cloud. How do we use it in a sentence? It is cloudy today, which refers to overcast conditions. Then we have weather, spelled with double H, which means expressing a doubt or a choice between alternatives. For example, I am unsure whether I should go or stay. It expresses a what? A doubt or a choice. Another example of homophones. A tail versus a tail. Look at the spelling. One is A-I, while another one has got an A-il, but both of them have got a T and L as part of the letters that form the word. The tail, the first one here, means the hindmost part of an animal, prolonged beyond the rest of the body. We have this tail. The dog wags its tail when it is happy. Can you see? The tail prolongs beyond the rest of the body. It prolongs beyond the rest of the body. You can see the body here, and the tail continues beyond the body. Now, when the dog is happy, it will wag this tail, moving it side by side or sideways. Then let's look at the tail with an A and E. It means a fictitious or true narrative or a story. Most of you will know the word story. Therefore, it is a story that is not true, it's a fiction, or it can be a true narration of events. Now, look at this too. Who is telling the story to who? The girl tells the boy a fairy tale. We said it is a what? A fairy tale because it is fictitious, it's not true. Thank you very much for joining this lesson. I wish you well and goodbye.